Hey, cameraman, are you getting this? Do you copy? Do you copy? Oh, you gotta be more proactive, like. You gotta be more like, yes, sir, the camera is Oscar Mike. No cookie for no proactive. You get that? You get that? Right. Let's move out then. Today is a great day. As I was saying, today is a great day. Today we are here to witness the capitulation of the self-righteous, the surrender of those who thought themselves owners of the moral universal, the end of those who believed themselves to be in possession of the truth. Well, guess what, mother suckers? There actually is just one truth. Mine! Okay. Let's get serious. Ooh, yeah, right. I almost forgot. I brought you something. I brought you a quote from the Bible. Now, doesn't that make you happy? Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Come on, smile today. Come on, smile today. What's with these fucking guys interrupting my fucking intervention with their bike? Where's this shit? Oh, come on. It's gone. Well, anyways, this one's for you guys. Here goes. Ezekiel 25:17. Blessed is he who in the name of charity... Wait a minute, did it go like that? No, it didn't. Let's start again. You don't mind, huh? Or with your mind. Ezekiel 25:17. The path of the righteous man is beset on all sides by the iniquities of the selfish and the tyranny of evil men. Blessed is he who in the name of charity and goodwill shepherds the weak through the valley of darkness, for he is truly his brother's keeper and the finder of lost children. Thy will strike down upon thee with great vengeance and furious anger those who attempt to poison and destroy my brothers. And you shall know my name is the Lord when I lay my vengeance upon thee. Wait a minute. Where's all the people gone to? Where are the prisoners? Where are the prisoners? It's all gone to shit. It's all gone to shit because of you. You and your funky marketing ideas. Let's go viral, they said. It'll be global, they said. Well, fuck that, and fuck you. You better run. You better run, you dog. You better run because I'm going to get you.